coordinate which way to
Wait, maybe
flip.
another one. Or are we? Yeah, we're pretty much good. Okay, that way?
Yeah.
Okay. Almost. Wow, you perfect flipping time.
There we go.
Okay, honestly, better than I expected.
Alright, for breakfast today we have a cheeseburger burrito. I got it at the store yesterday. Fried eggs with cheese and hot sauce and salt and pepper. And then a pancake. I just kind of yeeted the whole thing onto the griddle and I cooked it. And then my energy drink. Yum.
You ready?
I've done all of that. You are here. And there's Vermont, Massachusetts. Look at that. That looks nice. These are my mom's exact washer and dryer, including that song. So I've been hearing it all the past 2 days. And it makes me miss home a little bit, hearing that song. This is a frat house. That is
Yeah, he's making the other guy
delivery.
use the dolly.
Wow. Got an avocado, barbecue, bacon, chicken burger, French fries, and mayonnaise. I am less than a minute from my next state border. Oh, it's gonna be on one of these poles, one of these little rock things, I think. Where is it? All right, here we go. I'm in Vermont. Vermont. Oh no, I'm speeding. Oh no. Okay, I'm good. I'm good now. And a treat on the way out back into the woods. Trail magic. Yay. Oh my gosh. It's trash. Dang it. All right, back in the woods. That was so much fun. Walking through town and still being on the AT. Literally through a neighborhood. That was really cool. All right, here we go. What a beautiful day in the woods. I see you, sunshine. We've missed you. Welcome back. Lots of road walks today. To the woods I go. What's that saying? Lose my mind, find my soul. I've already lost my mind. Wow, these are some tall trees. Whoa. Just have about 0.6 miles of up to a still site for tonight, which hopefully will have a view in the morning for the sunrise if the clouds don't decide to come back. But day's almost done. All right, I got to camp, and it looks like that might be the direction of sunrise tomorrow, so I will have an open view, maybe. And then here's camp. I'm gonna put up my tarp here in just a second and stake it out. And got my clothes hanging, drying from the sweat. Shouldn't be any rain tonight, but I've got my backpack ready to go hanging up. And yeah. I'm really not hungry. I'm not gonna do dinner tonight because I'm just really not hungry. Always feel that way after delicious town food and gorging myself. Also, I realized that I did not do my morning report today. So today was day 39. I slept in till almost noon today. Left Hanover, New Hampshire, walked into Vermont, and hiked 12 miles. Mostly on the road and slightly into the woods. And tomorrow I'm gonna really start picking up some mileage, just knocking out all the mud slides, and yeah, good stuff. Tomorrow I don't plan on doing huge miles, but I really want to push myself and see what I can do, because I've been doing a lot of sleeping in and kind of lounging about, but I do want to have a couple of days where I just push myself. So, lots of exciting things ahead. Thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow. Today was our first day in Vermont. And just in case you didn't know, Vermont is called Vermud on the Appalachian Trail because the terrain makes it very prone to giant mud. Lots of mud on the trail. So that is an obstacle to overcome as we make our way through Vermont.